Hey, I'm trying this out. Okay, so these are little tacos, street tacos. I don't really have a name for them. I saw this done and I'm not even sure if I'm doing it correctly, but I got these Mission street tacos with flour and some cheese. And this is the newest addition to my arsenal. So I thought the original video that I saw was some dude that put cheese down. Oh, that was big.
Oh.
Some dude that put cheese down and then put these tortillas on it and then made this nice cheesy crust. I tried it a couple times. It didn't work out. Oh, and I went and did it anyway.
Bruh.
I'll show you how it doesn't work out compared to this one. All right. This is what I meant to do. So this is what the guy did before. He did this and then put the tortilla on top of that. It didn't work out. I tried it twice. It didn't work out for me, but maybe I just need to tweak what I'm doing. I have it set on real low. This side is off. Obviously, I don't think you want it that hot because it'll just burn the cheese. So this way actually worked out. Once that cheese starts to melt, then I flipped it over. So it's kind of reverse aluminum.
Hi.
Oh, what's that, Brittany? Yeah, that was Brittany and Zach.
Were they the one yelling?
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway,
You sound like a kid.
that was Zach and Brittany, I think. I think they saw us doing a video. And they probably just wanted to get on the video.
Okay.
You know? So we just put some hamburger meat in there, taco seasoning. We're going to try this. This is an experiment. But like I said before, we pretty much eat everything you see me cook. So let me show you here. Watch this one will turn out.
I was going to say.
It actually did.
And
Awkward.
That's what I was trying to do before.
Huh?
And I don't know what happened, but it didn't work out. So, regardless, it ends up being the same, right?
Yeah.
But I thought the guy did it before. He had the cheese on the outside. It doesn't really matter, does it?
I don't think so.
The hard part is getting it in there. Because these are, ow, ow, these are small. Well, it works out both ways. All right, that's all I really got to show you. We're going to bring them in the house, of course, and we're going to eat them. Add whatever you want. It's a taco. More cheese, little Frank's Red Hot, lettuce, tomato, nothing, sour cream, whatever you want. Let's see, before you leave. See, now this one isn't going to turn out as good as the other one.
Excuse me.
No coughing in my videos, please.
Sorry.
I never do that. See? Oh, this is why I'm so amateur. It's okay. I don't feel like a failure, even though I am.
Look at these. These turn out good.
Yeah, they look kind of good. All right, I'm going to turn this off.
The Blackstone's just camera shy today.
We're going to try these. I'll let you know in some other video how they turn out. I need some more subscribers. And I want Walmart to sponsor me because I use Great Value products all the time. See? This Great Value cheese, even though you can't see. All right, thanks, folks. See you.